So the next topic is mode. Mode is the data value that occurs the most in your data set. If more than one data value has the highest frequency, then each of the data values is the mode. That is, it's not necessary you only have one mode. You can have multiple modes. So let's go ahead and take a look at the example 8 here. Find the mode of the following groups. So what I'm trying to see is there a number that is occurring most number of times? So when I look at it, 7 is the only one that's occurring twice. So the mode of this data set is 7. All right, let's look at the next one. Find the mode of the data. So I'm going to do one for the actors and one for the actresses. So if I'm looking at the actors here, I have, let's see, the most occurring number is 9. So the mode for the actors is 9. Now let's look at the actresses. What number occurs the most? I have 10 occurring 3 times and also 7 occurring 3 times. So when you have two numbers occurring, so the mode here is, remember you don't add, you don't subtract. So the mode is 7 and also 10. So you have two modes here. Okay? All right. So two modes, right? Perfect. Now let's go ahead and look at the last topic for the entire semester. Midrange. So midrange is found by adding the lowest and the highest data value and dividing the sum by 2. Again, it's the lowest and the highest data value divided by 2. So now let's see. Find the midrange. Okay, let's see. I have find the midrange of, so I have two columns here. One is best places to be a woman, and then one is the worst places to be a woman. So if I go ahead and do that, I'm going to look at the highest data value, which is best places to live. Let's go ahead and do the best places. Best places to live is, country is Iceland, and the value is 100. And the lowest ranking is 87.2. So how do I find the mid-range? I simply add, let me go ahead and show that to you. I simply add the lowest and the highest and divide it by 2. So if I do that, so best places for women is mid-range is 100 plus 87.2 divided by 2, which is 93.6. Okay, now let's look at the worst places. So the worst places to live is Chad, and the highest here is Sierra Leone, Leone. I'm guessing I'm saying it wrong. Yeah, okay, that's the, yes, 0 and 29. So the mid-range for the worst places is 29.0 plus 0.0 divided by 2. So what do I end up with? 29 is, I have 14.5 is my mid-range. Okay, so mid-range for the worst, mid-range for the best. And this brings us to the end of the semester. Again, thank you guys. Without your support, this would not have been possible. And trust me, I seriously miss y'all. Good luck with everything.